Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rubelinda, and our video for today is I joined a senior bingo game for my grandma fiesta countdown vlog. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, nag-umbrella ko kay na-sunburn jud ko. Actually, this is the very awkward situation because I thought this area is our, dere may mag-bingo, but it wasn't. So, maoto, to hide that awkwardness, of course, nag-act ko na ako video call. Balik ako. Yak, pero sa result. Wala pa may tao. Wala pa yung tao. Saan naman eh? Maloy mo, giingan ako mga ate dere. Ito ko ate eh. Look what I found, guys. So far, babalik ko. Bahala mo na. So far guys, sayo rakay ko, maunibalik ko. And then, I would like to say thank you to all my friends and to all my viewers sa 768 views sa video nga pranking my mom. I appreciate you all. And with that views, I reach 10,000 viewers of all of my videos. And I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers and to all my followers. We have 150 followers on Facebook and 63 followers on my YouTube. So far sa TikTok, it's still the same. Yes, it's a 1-3. Thank you all. Finally, I trusted my guts kay din hindi ayang venue to oko dito. Naglalisay sila pero ako chill lang. It's already done na guys, and we got nothing. And of course na abtan tag-uwan kaganin ha. Nagtag-uman, diba? That's our vlog for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. See you on the next one.